Rectifier. There are two types of rectifier. Number one, half wave rectifier, and second, full wave rectifier. A rectifier is an electronic device which converts AC into DC. If a rectifier which rectify only half cycle of AC into DC is known as half wave rectifier. A rectifier which converts full cycle of AC, it means positive half as well as the negative half into pulsating DC, is known as full wave rectifier. In brief, an electronic device which converts AC into DC is known as rectifier. The construction of half wave rectifier as shown in figure. Half wave rectifier. A diode is connected with the secondary of the transformer and also connected with the load resistance across which the output is delivered. That is the output. The input signal which is to be rectified is connected with the primary of the transformer. It is taken as the input, also considered as input AC. After rectification, the irregular and pulsating DC is obtained. The direction of conventional current, as indicated by dotted arrow in the figure. The output is obtained always across the load resistance RL. When the terminal of secondary remains at positive terminal or at the positive potential, the diode conduct electricity because diode is in forward bias. It is noted that the diode conduct electricity only in the forward bias but behaves like the open switch or open circuit in the reverse bias. Therefore, in the negative half cycle, the diode does not conduct electricity and so the gap is provided as shown in the figure. In each rectification, when the diode remains at positive terminal or positive potential, diode conduct. Otherwise, diode does not conduct if it is at the negative potential. So, the full cycle of AC is converted into DC, now indicated by the graphical representation as shown in the figure. This is the AC input and this one is the DC output. This DC output cannot be used in the practical application due to pulsating nature and irregular nature. So this DC must be converted into steady DC. Therefore, there is need of a filter circuit when the output DC is allowed to pass through the filter circuit, then this pulsating DC is converted into the steady DC, which can be used for any practical operation. That's okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the full wave rectifier.